Easily with Southern boating, I'm standing on the Jeanneau NC 895 Sport Series 2. This vessel is incredible because there's so many features on here that are completely modular. First, I want to talk about the power options. You have the option of either Yamaha 200 or 250s to kick it off. There's this optional space here with a grill or sink. Otherwise, it's a great storage space. The modular element of this cockpit is great because you have easy access seating throughout, or you can put it away, store this table, and turn this into a great space for fighting fish. If you love fishing, while the model that we're talking about now doesn't have all the fishing gear, they will work with you to make sure that you have everything you need. Moving forward, we're going to talk about the, again, modular community space here. We have a navigator's chair, which again, very easy. Oh, let me fix that. Very easy to set up, or you can have a wonderful place to have some food. At the helm, you have standard Lenco trim tabs. You have an optional bow thruster. You have an optional joystick control. Behind me, in the down below, you have two cabins and a full wet head, which with plenty of standing space. Obviously, there's space for fresh air up here, and one of my favorite features is this cabin door. You can walk through here, step onto an extremely safe walkway because this area is slightly asymmetrical, which puts the cabin or the captain almost directly center, not center, but almost center, and it gives you plenty of space to walk forward. It adds convenience because now you have easy access to these cleats. And if you walk forward the bow, you notice that this is a very lounge type of a bow. But the cool thing about this is, again, it's almost modular in the sense that you could take off all of these pads and you'd be standing on non-slip surfaces, which means you could turn this into a fighting area too. There are so many features on this vessel for a 30-foot boat that it's incredible that I'm not going to be able to talk about them all. So if you want to know more information, click on the link below in the description.